CNP featured research video. This is your Diet Mental Health Break number 16, brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology. 2 minutes to learn and be good to yourself. Can consuming fat and sugar at the same time promote overeating? Let's find out. We all know that the properties of the food we eat, smell, or see are a powerful factor in our future feeding decisions. However, not all of our sensations about food come from the external senses. Our body also has sensory cells in the gut that inform the brain about what we eat. The vagus nerve, one of the longest nerves in the body, connects these cells to the brain through a communication pathway called the gut-brain axis. However, scientists so far have not fully understood the intricate details of how this system functions. To improve this understanding, study author Molly McDougal and colleagues studied neural pathways through which the brain detects the intake of fats and sugar. They conducted experiments on mice that involved injecting solutions containing fat, sugar, or both of these substances directly into their guts and looking at neural cells that get activated starting from the gut and all the way to the brain. The experiments showed that sensory cells that detect the presence of sugar and fat in the gut are largely distinct from each other. The same was true with neurons carrying information from these cells to the brain. Moreover, neural circuits in the brain that release the neurotransmitter dopamine to produce pleasurable feelings when sugar or fat are present in the gut were also distinct. Because of this, the presence of both fat and sugar in the gut led to the release of much more dopamine than just fat of equal calorie value. These peculiarities of neural pathways make mice, and possibly also humans, more likely to overeat foods rich in both fats and sugars, driven by feelings of pleasure the simultaneous activation of these two neural pathways creates. Our thanks to Molly McDougal and colleagues for conducting this informative analysis. This Diet Mental Health Break is brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology, CNP.